How to import mail and contacts from Yahoo to Gmail PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. All what you have to do is go to the top and click on this settings option. Now click on see all settings. Now go to accounts and import right here. Click on this option. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now go down until you find import mail and contacts option and click on import mail and contacts here. And now here you will be able to add your contacts. Just fill your informations and everything will be done. Easy and fast from here, as I said. Don't forget to like and subscribe.